boys and girls, for today, we are actually not going to cut these out because we have work on the back, but we're just going to write a word that rhymes with the bottom ice cream scoop on top. So if we look at the first ice cream scoop, it says class. Which ice cream rhymes with class? Yeah, you're right. It's grass. So let's write grass right here. Grass. Good. The next word is dress. What word rhymes with dress? Yeah, this one. Guess. Very good. The next ice cream scoop says floss. What word rhymes with floss? Gloss. Very good. Nice job. What does the next ice cream scoop say? Drill. Very good. What word rhymes with drill? Frill. Excellent. Very good, boys and girls. You are so smart. Okay. Oh, there's a digraph in the next one, the SH. Very good. So which word rhymes with shell? Nice. It's swell. Okay, and the next one is bluff. Which word rhymes with bluff? Stuff. Very good. Wonderful. Two more. Which word rhymes with cliff? Stiff. You are right. Nice job. And the last one is small. What word rhymes with small? It's the only one left. Stall. Very good. Nice job. On the back, we are going to vowels and consonants. So the first word is will. So let's write that again. And let's just go ahead and write all of our spelling words, and then we will go back and color all of the vowels and all of the consonants different colors. That's good practice for us to be able to tell which letters are consonants and which letters are vowels. So practice writing all of the words with me. Next, if you need to push pause, it's okay. And buzz. So it says to color all of the vowels red. So when you're ready, pick up your red crayon and let's go ahead and color all of the vowels red. Okay. In the word by, Y is a vowel because it says the I word, or the I sound. Okay, so we're going to find A, E, I, O, and U, and sometimes Y. And then once we find all of those, then we know that the rest of the letters are consonants. And we're going to color those blue. So then our words are color-coded, and it's pretty easy for us to see which ones are... Oh, look, I missed that one. That U should be colored, shouldn't it? Silly Mrs. Stewart. We know which ones are vowels and which ones are consonants. This is going to be super helpful when we start doing words that have more than one syllable. Then we'll be able to break the syllables apart and be able to read them easier. So you'll get better reading bigger words. All right, team, you did awesome today. I'm going to give you a little blue smiley over here on this side. Nice work.